So James just puts that shit on speaker, and she's just like, my dad's sitting in the front of the door with a shotgun just waiting for you guys. So instantly, in sync, me and James hear that. Mid-sentence, we both turn around. Fuck that, we are not going. What the fuck is going on with that? She proceeds to say, just still come and sneak in through the back window. So we're like, fuck no, we are not coming anymore. That's an extra 10 miles minimum of walking just for a 90% chance of us either getting shot or arrested. And the only reason your dad would even know anything is if one of y'all fuckers told him something you were not supposed to be telling him. So we're like, fuck this.